guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Charlie and I make handmade polymer clay earrings and accessories for my shop called Charrings. Today we're going to be packing some orders. I've not done a pack and order video in quite a long time on here, so I thought you could just join me today because that's my only task for the day work-wise, and it's one that is overdue. I've been meaning to do this for literally ages. A lot of my orders are slightly delayed because Hallie, having a newborn baby, is just hard to keep up with work, I'm not gonna lie. But today we're gonna be packing all these and sending them out today as well to make sure that everyone gets their order ASAP. Grab a cup of tea, I suppose. Come and join me. So I currently have 31 orders on the website and 1 on Etsy. I only just opened my Etsy shop again. I don't really know why. I always try and give it a good go and then I end up hating it and I really hate it again. So yeah, I think I'm probably gonna get rid of that one again. But nevertheless, I do have 1 order on there. Let's pack that one first. She's called Oreo. Oh no. She's not called Oreo. Oh, okay. Madison, she's in the United States of America, and she has ordered 2 pairs of our Bluey and Bingo earrings. So she actually said in her notes that she has ordered these for her and her sister to be matching in Disney, which is so cool. So let me grab these. Here they are. How cute is that they're going to be matching? Obsessed. I've basically spent all week prepping the earrings so that then I can just sit down and pack them all in one go. I've not got every order here to be completed because I've got a bridal custom and I've got some subscription boxes. I've pretty much got most of the stuff here for the orders. I've not bought any new packaging for a little while, so I'm kind of still using the Valentine's stuff a little bit. I didn't want to not use it and waste it, so I might as well use it for just my normal orders. I mean, it's just love heart packaging. It's still cute. So cute. Then I always add a business card. A thank you card, so this one's for Madison. And then I'm just gonna add in a love heart sticker and some heart confetti. Oh, I love. Okay, then we need a charring sticker to seal it. And the thank you card. So these ones are quite simple, but they've got a little discount on them for your next purchase if you want to purchase again. And as this one is an Etsy order as well, even more reason to put your website information in there, because ideally if you are using Etsy, you want them to come back through your website so that you're not paying the Etsy fees and you kind of skip the middleman. Okay, that one is done. Let me put Etsy on that. Now let's move on to the website orders. I'm going to work in order of ones that have been purchased the latest, so we're prioritizing. So this one is Caitlin. Caitlin is also in the US and she's in Virginia. I get a lot of US customers. She's ordered 2 of our Cupid crackers and a duck trinket dish. Oh, obsessed. I literally love these dishes so much. And these are one of our best sellers. How cute. First pair going into the Cupid cracker are these hearts, and these are like leather effect. One complete. And the second pair are these heart cookie studs. Yes, oh my, what a beautiful fit. Will the trinket dish fit in there too? Possibly not. It will fit on top though. So, I'm gonna wrap this dish up. Then we're gonna add thank you card, a little sticker, some heart confetti. Caitlin. Next one is Sarah. This one is going to London in the UK. And Sarah has actually ordered 2 of our custom Disney ears, which I'm obsessed with and I absolutely love making the customs. The first one she picked are blue ears with a navy blue glitter bow. And the second pair are these classic minis. So we've got the black ears with the red glitter bow. Then we just add a business card, a little sticker, some heart confetti, seal it up, and thank you card. Thank you, Sarah. Next up is Jessica. She is in, Cinderford. I have no idea where that is, but it's in the UK somewhere. She's actually ordered the earrings that I'm wearing right now. These are some of my favorite earrings I have ever made. Look how cute these are. So she has ordered these ones here and some Bluey and Bingo earrings. Of course, these are very popular. And the Bluey and Bingo ones are only £15, so I think that is always very appealing when they're a little bit more affordable for something that doesn't exist anywhere else. And there we go, ready to go. Just had to have a little Hallie break, hence the dribble. Anyway, back to it. We've got Stacey from Bristol in the UK. She's ordered our strawberry cows and Pac-Mans, both very popular. Here are the strawberry cows. How cute are these? Honestly, so many of these get sold. I'm very pleased because I do love these. The Pac-Mans, again, much more popular than I ever thought when I launched them originally. I did not think they were going to be as popular as they are, so very pleased about that. And I feel like they make a really good gift for anyone that is into gaming. Slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to. Myrta. So Myrta is in the Netherlands. She's ordered 4 pairs of earrings. And 2 of these are actually going to be completely discontinued from the website. So she has got officially the last pair of both, which are these mushrooms here and these bumblebees. I'm sad to see them go, but they just don't sell enough, and I really love both of them, but they just don't sell enough, and I'm trying to make a little bit more room on the website at the moment for something new that's coming soon, so things have got to go. She also ordered some of my favourite studs, which I've been wearing for the past few days. These ladybug studs. The last one was bubble earrings, so they actually blow bubbles. Let me show you. Woo! How cool is that you literally get earrings that blow bubbles? So cool. And they're in our clearance at the moment for £3. £3! Only while they last though. There's some different styles, there's some pink ones, there's some butterflies, there's loads of different styles, but they are there while they last, and once they're gone, they're going to be gone forever. They're also in the clearance, so if you want to grab yourself some bubble earrings and be cool, they're there for you. Going all the way to the Netherlands. Alrighty, next up we've got Ruth. Ruth is from Brampton. I don't know where that is either, but that's in the UK. Monstera studs, a £5 mystery machine, and some purple tulip studs. Let me go grab them. These are the 3D tulips. I'm going to be adding these orange slices as her £5 lucky dip because they are now discontinued, but they're £20 originally, so to get them for £5 is such a bargain. And then these are the 2 studs that she's purchased. Customer that's ordered a few things, but they did order the cluster flowers with it, so they won't be sent out until I've finished the clusters, which she's actually already put on her notes that she is more than happy to wait as long as it takes, because she knows it takes a long time, which is very nice of her. So the last orders to pack today are subscription boxes. These are March's subscription boxes, and they are ladybug inspired because I'm obsessed with ladybugs at the minute. I don't know what to say. Yesterday I was feeding Hallie when we were out. I look on my shoulder, there's a ladybug on my shoulder. And then this morning I wake up and I look out the window in the kitchen and there's a ladybug on the window. So I don't know, I'm a bit surrounded by them at the moment. So I've made Ladybug subscription box earrings, I suppose. Now I haven't done April's yet, so if you would like to subscribe, you are more than welcome to. It's £20 a month and you get 1 pair of limited edition earrings. So they are only made for the subscription box. They aren't made anywhere else. You can cancel anytime, so if you just want to try it for 1 month and then cancel it if it's not for you, fair enough. I'm not going to ask any questions, I'll just cancel it for you. And if you want to continue being subscribed, I've got people that have been subscribed for 2 years, which I'm extremely grateful for. So it's entirely up to you how long you want to do it, if you just want to try it out, or if you enjoy it and you want to stay, I'd be very honoured. But it's a different pair of earrings every single month. So sometimes they are themed based on that month. This month is a little bit of a spring vibe because they're ladybugs. And it's not just earrings, they always have a snack in of some sort. I've done loads of different snacks throughout the years, and this month's actually a great one. We've got Milky Ways. I'm obsessed with these at the minute. And so I thought, you know what? I'm gonna put them in the boxes. Usually I'll just put a little sweet or something, but this month we're getting a whole chocolate bar, so, you know, winning. The earring reveal, I think these are so dainty, cute. They're on Huggies. They've got a little heart charm. Look at them. How cute are they? Oh, I love. Nice and dainty, perfect for spring in my opinion. I think they're gonna be so cute. Let me go get the leaflets that I've had printed out and then I'll be back to pack them all up. If you're wondering how to subscribe, head to my website, charrings.com. You will see a tab that says subscription box. You go on there and that's as simple as it is, you just subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna go for this rainbow tissue paper. Let's pack these up then. Lucky for you guys, I have just recounted the ladybug earrings that I made and I do have 1 pair spare. So because I'm so lovely, I'm going to give a pair to one of you guys. All you need to do is leave a comment below and just make sure that if you do want to win the ladybug earrings, put a ladybug emoji at the end of your comment so I know who actually wants them and who is entering. And I will pick someone over the weekend to win them. So that's just a little thank you for getting this far in the video because I do appreciate it. So I'm not gonna let anyone know about it at the beginning of the video or anything like that. I'm just gonna literally let you know now. So if you're a real one and you've made it this far, you can enter and get yourself a free pair. And I wouldn't usually do that for the subscription box earrings, but as I've got one available, I might as well. I never ever do giveaways on here either, which I am gonna start doing more of, but they'll probably be told nearer the end of the video like this one. So it's for people that actually watch my videos. I don't need to pay for shipping or anything like that. I will just reply to one of your comments saying that you've won, and that's it. It's as simple as it is. And obviously make sure you're subscribed. You do need to be a subscriber in order to win. And those are the only requirements. If you've watched any of my other videos, recently my partner's granddad died. We were actually really close to him and we've just moved to Stafford. One of the reasons to be closer to him, and unfortunately he passed away shortly after. He's gonna have the same stone as Sam's grandma. So we made them this for the gravestone. I still need to glaze it and stuff. But look how cute this is. It's her little footprint and it says great grandma and granddad, which I think is so cute. And to have that by their gravestone, I think is so sweet. And also her baby cousin passed away when she was only, I think, a few days old. Our stone is near theirs, so we've done one for her as well. And it says love you cousin and it's a handprint. Look how cute. I made them out of air dry clay. I actually got gifted like a set, but 2 people gifted me sets of like handprints. So we've kept one for ourselves and then we've used one for that. So I thought that was really meaningful. So she's just started smiling loads as well. Like all day today she's been smiling. It's been so lovely. Like as soon as you wake up, she's just got the biggest smile. Like I don't know if all babies do that, probably, I don't know, but every time she sees me or Sam, after like a second, like she's literally sat in a bouncer and then we go up to her and she's got the biggest smile ever. It's so nice. This room is like a sauna. It is boiling in here. Oh my. Okay, we're coming up to one of our last ones now. Just bear in mind as well, for our subscription boxes, there is a cut-off. So the cut-off is the 15th of each month. So if you order before the 15th, you will get that month's box. If you order after, you will get next month's box. So this one's March's box, so you won't be able to get that now. But if you want April's box, you'll need to order before April the 15th in order to get that box. One of the months coming up, I think possibly May, I'm going to add in an extra freebie as a little treat for my subscribers, just to say thank you, really. Not a snack, an actual jewellery piece, so that'll be exciting. I know what I want to add, I just need to add it on a month where I've got a little bit more time to make an extra piece, basically. I'm just going to tape all of these ones up and then we'll be done. That tape has lasted me actual months, but I've just ran out, so I have to use this random space tape that I've got. Honestly, the packaging for this is so random this month. Honestly, having a baby throws you right off everything. Usually I'm so on top of ordering things like that. Obviously, because I've not been able to work as much lately, money's been a little bit tighter than usual, so I've not been able to order things like custom packaging and things like that because they've just unfortunately not been priority. There we go, all complete. Like I said, I do have some more orders that I need to get through, but they have cluster flower earrings, which usually take about 3 weeks for me to dispatch, just because they take a really long time to make. But these are all the orders, so I'm now gonna head to my computer and print off all the shipping labels for them. So it seems Royal Mail have very kindly changed their prices again, and I did not know. I don't really know where you would find updates from Royal Mail for things like that anyway, but I'm so annoyed because someone's paid £24 for their order to the US. It's cost me £13, and that's a trinket dish and 2 crackers as well. That's so annoying. The problem is the customer used the discount code as well, so they already got money off their order, and then I've paid all the shipping, so really I've made like no money off that order whatsoever. Like that doesn't even pay for the product, let alone my time. Everything else is so frustrating. But what can you do? If I'm being honest, I think I'm gonna have to change provider soon and not use Royal Mail anymore, because it's just too much. It's way too much money. The price goes up, I swear, every time I send off an order at the minute, the price goes up. It was for tracked, it was £2.70 just for a large letter, £2.70, then it was £2.75, now it's £2.85 just for the UK. But those little increases is such a joke, because it means I've got to keep increasing my price, and it's not fair. I'm not going to increase it, but if it keeps going up anymore, like if it goes past £3, I'm gonna have to literally increase mine even more, which is so annoying. Total has cost me about just over £70 just to send this small amount of orders off. £70. All the orders now complete. All I need to do now is take them to a post box, so I'll probably do that a bit later today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bit of a different one, kind of like a studio vlog, but strictly packing orders, I suppose. I don't tend to really pack orders too often on studio vlogs, so I thought I'd just do a dedicated video for packing orders. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you for joining me. Please do like, hype the video, and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. This year I'm really trying to focus on growing my YouTube channel. I would absolutely love to become a bigger channel, so fingers crossed the hard work will pay off eventually. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more from me, there are some on the screen here if you want to click on them and watch those as well. Okay, hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye!